We have just arrived at a temple in Changdao, and these two boys came by bike. Look at that. Look at this. Who's riding a red bike? Ridiculous. That's not a dog, that's a human. I wonder how savage they are. They do look pretty savage. Hello. Today, you have one mission. Carry the things on the table to the kitchen.
Yakult.
So many Yakult. Only one way to go.
I think you are literally the biggest bug I've ever seen. Please don't fly off. Nah.
And it's gone. We've done 201 steps. And we found big bugs, big leaves, and big boys.
Look at the size of these leaves.
But I have a question for you. When will it end if you reminisce of the past? Where will it lead to if you muse of the future? Just meditate and keep your mind only on the present moment. Practicing my Dharma.
Dharma cam.
Action cam. We've been riding the bikes and it's the second day and now we're climbing. Look at this man tying knots. I bet you could tie a horse to a post, couldn't you?
Oh, you know it, baby.
The granddaddy. That's the biggest climb I've done so far.
This man is going to use that rope to take that man up there.
That's right. This rope to take that man up there.
Did you fucking get it? Get my eyes, get my eyes! Get my eyes, get my eyes! Got it! There's a way to me in my eyes! You tell me that nothing matters. You're just fucking scared! You tell me that I'm better. You just hate yourself! You tell me that you like her. You just wish you did! You tell me that I make no difference. Well, mate, I'm fucking trying! What the fuck have you done?
Okay, now picture, you know, the name next to you.
The name?
Like your name is going to come up here, James Climber. So, James, how was the climb?
The climb, it was scary. Samuel George Forster, we're here at the big wall.
The big wall.
Tell me how you tackled it today.
I was like, huh! Got those pretty quickly, but I just want to thank my team because without you guys,
Thanks, bro.
wouldn't
Nice to see you.
be able to.
Joshua Bray McCallum Bride.
Yeah, it's been a tough day.
Oh, yeah. That's what the people want.
So we're done with climbing. Now we're just going to take a little walk back down to the car.
Wow, look at all these peanuts. Wow.
I'm not sure I would eat that. Maybe you need to cook them. I don't know if you can eat them raw.
I'm not going to.
Thoughts?
Guys, if you know how or whether or not monkey nuts are okay to eat, just like put a comment down below so that we don't poison ourselves, yeah?
It's good enough for monkeys. It's good enough for me.
If we see them next time, obviously we want to eat them if we know that they're safe.
Just put your favourite vine fruit in the comment and we'll eat them live on television for you.
Just put in like your favourite person's mother and we will fuck her for you. We'll just do that.
Oh, it's like James is here too. I don't know what's happening anymore, but I guess I could say goodbye.